Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into a topic that's vital for all of us, safety. But not just any safety. We're talking about how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we approach safety in some of the most critical areas of our lives. First up, let's hit the road. Imagine a world where AI-powered dashcams not only record accidents, but actually prevent them. We're talking about systems that monitor your driving in real time, alerting you to potential hazards, and even taking control in emergencies. Crazy, right? But it's happening now. These systems use advanced algorithms to analyze road conditions, traffic patterns, and even driver behavior to anticipate dangerous situations before they even occur. This is a game changer, guys, potentially saving thousands of lives every year. Now, let's shift gears and talk about another industry where safety is absolutely paramount. Mining, as you know, involves inherent risks. Heavy machinery, challenging environments, you name it. Miners face it every day. But here's where AI comes in to make a real difference. Remember those old-school paper checklists for equipment inspection? Time-consuming, prone to errors, not exactly the most efficient system. AI is changing that. AI-powered image recognition can analyze high-resolution photos of equipment, identifying even the tiniest cracks or signs of wear and tear that might be missed by the human eye. We're talking about a level of precision that was simply unimaginable before, drastically improving safety for miners and boosting efficiency at the same time. It's a win-win. But wait, there's more. AI isn't just about reacting to potential hazards. It's also about predicting them before they even happen. Imagine this, AI algorithms crunching massive amounts of data, historical maintenance records, sensor readings, you name it, to predict when and where equipment might fail. This is what we call predictive maintenance, and it's a game changer. Instead of waiting for something to break down, potentially causing costly downtime or even accidents, AI allows mining companies to address potential issues before they become major problems. Talk about working smarter, not harder. Now, let's move on to an area that's near and dear to all of us, healthcare. When it comes to our health, we want the best possible care, and we want it to be safe. AI is playing an increasingly important role in making healthcare safer and more effective. Think about it, AI algorithms can analyze mountains of data from medical records, clinical trials, you name it, to help doctors make faster, more accurate diagnoses. And we're not just talking about diagnosing diseases. AI is also helping to develop new treatments and personalized medicine, tailoring therapies to individual patients based on their genetic makeup and lifestyle. It's incredible. Now, let's get real for a second. Integrating AI into healthcare, especially when it comes to sensitive patient data, comes with challenges. Privacy, security, accuracy, these are all huge concerns. But the good news is developers are working hard to build safeguards into AI systems. We're talking about things like de-identification of data, rigorous testing and validation of algorithms, and constant monitoring for any signs of bias. The key here is transparency. We need to know how these systems are making decisions, and we need to be able to trust that they're making the right ones. And guys, collaboration is key here. We need engineers, doctors, ethicists, everyone working together to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically in healthcare. The potential benefits are just too great to ignore. As we look toward the future, the possibilities for AI and safety are limitless. Imagine a world with even more advanced self-driving cars, drones delivering medical supplies to remote areas, and robots assisting in complex surgeries with incredible precision. This might sound like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. The key takeaway here is that AI has the potential to make our world a much safer place, whether we're talking about roads, mines, or healthcare. So guys, that's a quick look at how AI is revolutionizing safety across different industries. What do you think? Are you excited about the potential of AI and safety, or are you concerned about the challenges? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm always working hard to bring you the best content on AI, and I rely on your feedback to make this channel even better. I'm trying to build a community here where we can all learn and grow together, so don't be shy. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.